Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I welcome you guys. My name's Juan. I go by 505 Flips. Pretty much a part-time reseller here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Yeah guys, so pretty much what I do, I just try to grab anything, electronics, hats, shoes, just anything to make a profit out of it. So yeah guys, it's a new week. We're gonna go and hit these yard sales and thrifts and flea markets, and yeah guys, let's see what we get, so yeah guys, let's start this video. let's start and see what we got. I'm gonna start off with let's see, we got a few shoes. I'm gonna start off with the shoes real quick. First one, we got these I don't know what they're called. I looked them up, but I don't know, I just thought they were cool because they're kind of like not really worn. It's like a basketball shoe, you know, but it's 2021. So it was last year's model, but yeah, I thought it was cool. You know, it was like a purple, like cool little basketball everyday kind of comfortable shoe, but it has like no wear, man. But yeah. On to the next. Yeah, I got these. I don't know. I think they're Alabama. These Alabama Nikes. It has a little Alabama or Arizona. I think they're Alabama. But yeah, these are like, you know, I seen them, and like I said, I look at the condition. You know, like if it's, you know, good condition and it looks cool, I mean, it'll sell. You know, so yeah, this one has like no wear, and yeah, guys, are pretty like literally bright, guys. On to the next. I got these LeBron James. Concords. Yeah, that's what they're called. I mean, at first I thought it was like, from a glance I seen them and I was like, I don't know, they resemble well, of course, the Concord 11s, you know, the Jordans. But yeah, here they are, and it's like, it has the patent leather on it, and it just like has a Nike one, and it's like, yeah, like the LeBron James tag, and it's like, and also too, it's like literally no wear. They're still icy, they're still white, and these are, well, they're from 2020, but yeah, guys, this is a pretty quick sell right here. Guys, on to the next. Yeah, I had gone to the shoe aisle and I seen this guy. He had them in his cart, right? And I kind of just passed by him and I just kind of looked inside the cart, like, what the hell are those? But anyways, I guess he you know, I was kind of leaving the opposite way, and he was coming this way. And he like put them back, and of course, me, like, I went right away. But yeah, guys, it's these Power Ranger Allen Iverson style Reeboks, and it's like, oh, dude, it's just like one's yellow, one's like blue, and yeah, and has the Power Ranger thing in the back. Yeah, it has the insoles. Like, I looked them up, and it's like, on eBay they're selling for like $100, 100 and something. So I was just like, dude, it's a no-brainer. But look at it, like no wear on it too, and I mean, yeah, it's a colorful shoe, but you know, it's like somebody that's into like Power Ranger, or you know, likes his style. But yeah, I mean, so yeah, that's it with the shoes. I picked up a few. I only picked up 2 hats. I got this like vintage one, and then I got like a newer one. So on the first one, I got this. It's the Philadelphia Phillies. I seen it, like, yeah, and I asked him, and he asked for like a cheap price, and I was like, and I don't know, I'm just like, you know, and it was my size too, and you know, I'll probably end up keeping this one, and it was just like brand new, like Phillies, and I was like, cool, you know. Alright, guys, on to the next. Yeah, I picked up this like old vintage. I'm not sure what year. It doesn't say the year, but it's this Denver Broncos. Yeah, it's Denver Broncos Mitchell and S. Yeah, fitted hat. And look at this big NFL patch, and it has that big old Denver Bronco on the front. It's like, you know, and right for football season, right? And it's like, perfect for it. And, somebody will get this one. Alright guys, on to the next. I usually don't pick up like bags or backpacks, but yeah, I went to the flea market and I seen usually I pretty much go through all of them. And yeah, I seen this guy, he had like bags, right? And then it's like, of course, I right away I could see like, dude, it's like the Jordan, I believe it's the 13s. And yeah, guys, we got the backpack. Yeah, and the colorway, and it has the little emblem. Yeah, the only thing, it does have a little scuff. It's right here in the corner. But I mean, yeah, I'm gonna end up keeping this one. This is going to the collection. But yeah, guys, on to the next. Yeah, guys, it's just another amazing pickup this week. It's a DJI drone, Mavic Air, and it's like, dude, and he gave me the bag, he gave me everything, the battery, the charger. Here's the control. I mean, I already put my phone connected to it. It's like, like perfect, guys. But yeah, I mean, I already tried it out. This one did come with the charger. And yeah, guys, so that's pretty much what we got this week. But yeah, I got special footage for you guys of the drone. So you know what I mean? Stick around. And I took shots here in town in Albuquerque. And yeah, guys, so thanks for watching. And yeah, enjoy the drone footage, guys. So see you guys on the next. Peace.